been waiting for Michael to wake up and do a video. Tell him, wake up and eat that food. Wake up, Michael. Eat your spaghetti, Michael.
We're done.
Hurry up and eat that food. Wake up. Okay, I gotta get up now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. My hair looks like a mohawk here. Let's fix that a little bit. There we go. That's a little better. Say hi to Abigail. Say hi to Baby G. There's Jenny G. Say hi to Georgie. Yeah. Say hi, little G. There she is. Okay. Let's go in here first. And we say, get out, Nap. Hannah's done with nap. No more nap. Forget about it, bunk bed, snake's room, couch, chair, cot, mommy, daddy bed. It's over. No more nap. Get out, TikTok. No TikTok, Cosmo or snakes. No. Cosmo, shut your pie. No TikTok. You two snakes. No. Get out, TikTok. All right. Hello. Who's this? Who do you think's on the phone, Michael?
That's probably Hannah's on the phone.
No. Who calls in all the time on the phone? Mrs. O. Well, Michael sleep most of the time. He didn't hear me. And then she says, what is it, Miss O? What do you say? She says to drink your water, Hannah Bueno. Drink lots of water so you get good tests back for your kidney beans. Drink. Say, I need some more water, please. I need more water, please. Drink. It's really important, okay? Drink your water. All right. Now we're going to come in here. And we see Basco. Basco go, wee. What's wrong, little Basco? Hi, Miss Hannah. Don't cry, Basco. It's going to be okay. Yeah. And here we have little babies. Wee. Other little baby go, wee, Miss Hannah. Don't cry, little baby. Yeah. Wee, Miss Hannah. Don't cry. Yeah. Okay. Whoa, almost fell over. Then we see Bear. Bear go, wee. What's wrong, Bear? Hey, Miss Hannah, don't cry, little bear. It's going to be just fine. Yeah. And then we see little Mickey Man. Mickey Man go, wee. Don't cry, Mickey Man. Yeah. Then Lion go, wee. Little Unicorn go, wee. Don't cry. Yeah. Little Yoda, don't cry, little Yoda. Oh, don't cry. Yeah. Okay. Here we go, Dragon go, wee. Hi, I want to video Ring goes away. Okay, little dragon, gotta make some calls first. Here we go. Hello, who's this? Sammy, Teresa? Hannah wants a video and a FaceTime. Okay, bye. Hello, Mimi? Hannah got a FaceTime and she wants lots of pictures. Okay, bye, Mimi. Who else? Oh my gosh. What are you doing? What are you doing, Bosco? Say, excuse me. Excuse me. That was me. Excuse me. And then we got the Lily. Oh, Lily go wee. Don't cry, Lily. Oh, now little Abby. Don't cry, little Abby. Yeah. All right. Now we're going to go find some Michaels. All right, where'd he go? All right, here you go, Michael. Hi with some. There's little Ruby. Little Ruby go, wee wee. Don't cry, Ruby. Yeah, yeah. She's a good little Ruby kitty. All right, now you could go find me. Oh, there's little G going outside for a minute. There you go, little G.
Turn it around.
All right, you go help find me and Dragon. Just keep
Go to it.
that door open for us.
Okay. All right then. Oop. Here's George.
It's still working.
Okay. First thing we gotta do is have a little bit of counting. Okay then. Okay, so first off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you gotta start snooping around. Look, helter skelter. Okay then. The dogs are wrecking the place. What about over here, maybe? No. Well then, next we gotta check the bathroom. Sometimes she'll hop in the tub. What about in here? Nope, not in there, not today. Okay. We have one last place we can check. One more place. Oh, uh-oh.
All right. Here you
Okay
go.
then.
Let me go find you. Go hide with the dragon. Hurry up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Real slow. There we go. All right. Georgie, do you know what dragon is? And Michael? No? He don't know. Oh, poor little Georgie. We'll find him. Do you know where they're at, Lucy? No? Get out of her feet. They're not in here. Let's go look in the bathroom. They in here? Nope, not in there. Let's keep looking. Gigi's still outside. Do you know where Michael and the dragon are? No? Look in here. Oh, little G. Mike, I told you to leave the door open. Poor little G. There we are, little G. He said, what about me? Michael shut the door, forgot about the baby G. All right, let's go over here. Are they by the window? Uh-oh, I see something over here. There they are.
All right then.
Now we gotta do this. Ho 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 yo. What's that? What's that? What's that? Ho yo yo. Ho yo yo. What's that? What's that? What's that? Ho yo yo yo. Ho yo yo yo. Ho yo yo. What's that? What's that? What's that? Okay.
All right.
Michael's turn.
Who's that?
Oh, there he is.
All right then.
All right. Now we got something that's a little different. You got to set the dragon on the treasure trunk.
Nope.
And then pick up G. She wants to have G in it. So pick up the little G, even though G's going to not like that too much. We'll do it this time since she had a special request. She don't like being held too much. All right. Go stand right by the dragon so I get you both in there. Okay, all set? again another day. Little Broody wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Bora wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Away, go away. Come another day. They want to go play outside. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Bethian wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Kitty wants to play. Rain, rain. You gotta turn her toward me, Michael. Michael, turn around. Third day. Oh, they're scared of the rain. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. We're gonna go outside today. Rain, rain, go away.
Maybe we can have more fun on a rainy day.
On a rainy day?
Really? Wow!
Rain, rain, it's okay. We can play a sunny day. Even if the skies are gray. Rain, rain, it's okay. Rain, rain, it's okay. We can play a sunny day. Even if the skies are gray. Rain, rain, it's okay. Rain, 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 rain. We can play a plan. Yay! Rain, it's okay. We can play on a sunny day. We just if the skies are gray. Rain, rain, it's okay. Rain, rain, it's okay. We can play like a sunny day. Even when the skies are gray. Rain, rain, it's okay.
It's okay.
Rain, rain, go away. Go away, rain. But it's okay. We'll play on a sunny day. Rain, rain, go away, rain. Huh, little G? Thank you for being in the video, little G. We enjoyed having you. Okay, you could put her back safe in the nest where she likes to be. She gets excited. You gotta hold on to her tight as you lower her down. There she go. She wants to jump 3 stories down just to get back in that bed. All right. 4 foot back. 4 foot back. 4 foot back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Scappy in the morning. We love you. Kisses and hugs. Yeah. Okay, we love you, B. Have a nice day. Mwah.